Most people get this wrong. They think store cards are just traps for overspending, but the Kohl's store card can actually be a smart tool if you shop at Kohl's frequently and use it responsibly. Here's how it works. The Kohl's Charge card allows you to make purchases both in store and online while earning Kohl's Cash rewards, which you can redeem during special Kohl's Cash events for additional savings. Cardholders also get exclusive access to special promotions, like extra discounts during holiday sales, and occasional bonus Kohl's Cash offers for larger purchases. One of the biggest perks is the ability to split large purchases into smaller payments using promotional financing during certain sales. This can make buying big-ticket items more manageable, but it's important to pay attention to deadlines. Missing a payment can lead to retroactive interest charges. Tips to make the most of the Kohl's store card. 1. Use the card only for Kohl's purchases to maximize Kohl's Cash rewards. 2. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid high interest fees. 3. Keep an eye on Kohl's exclusive cardholder sales to save even more. Who should consider this card? Regular Kohl's shoppers who want extra rewards, access to exclusive sales, and flexible payment options for larger purchases. In conclusion, the Kohl's store card isn't just a shopping tool, it's a way to save and earn rewards if used wisely. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and tips, and remember, shop smart, pay on time, and make every Kohl's purchase count.